Alright everybody, here are a few cars. An Audi. Didn't see that one coming. No, we didn't. But it was a joy to watch. Another one we didn't see coming was this buggy. We saw it at the staging area. He was good. Jeep pickup truck? Come on now. It was a really cool vehicle to watch. Oh, and let's see. Oh, one of many Subarus. His son wanted to buy that one right off the bat. Sure did. And then we have one of our favorites was the Acura. They kept it real. And then we have yet another Subaru. These guys were quick. And another fan favorite for my son and I was this Toyota. They were keeping it real with the fans as well. Another one to catch us off guard was this Nissan. A Nissan. Have you ever seen a Nissan do one of these? Now you have. And then again, one of many Subaru. This next car coming up and the one to follow. Oh yeah, it's a Focus hatchback. Yes, I know they do have Focuses, but this one was not built for this. Oh, and then this one? That's going back. Yes, the Escort. And this VW right here coming up. Yeah, they kept it going all day. And here we go with another Subaru. These guys kept it going all day as well. It was a good day. This Subaru whipped through these corners. And this one also caught me off guard. A BMW. I've known BMWs to race on the street, but in the dirt, same with the Mitsubishi. They typically race on the street. And then our last but not least, and I was glad to see this one come back at the end, VW.
Oh! Damn! He's running on the rim!
Thanks for watching.